Hi, welcome to my channel's update. It's going to be a different one today, I have to say. It's not going to be just about my channel, but it's also going to be about me and my family and the plans that we've got for the near future, which I want to share with you. So stick around and check out what I've got to say. So I've been doing this YouTube thing for probably about 3 years now, I think. I can't really remember. And that was really all possible thanks to you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. And I'm really grateful to you for that. And you know, it brings me joy that what I do, you actually care about and spend your precious time spending and watching my videos, which is absolutely awesome. As most of you know, I'm actually Polish and been living in the UK for the last 15 years, so more or less most of my adulthood. And both with my wife, she's been in the UK for about 15 years as well. And you know, we both finished universities here, we've bought our house, and we've got 2 fantastic children. And to be fair, we've settled in the UK quite well from my perspective, I think, and we can call it, you know, our home. We never had a plan to move to another country or go back Poland. It probably was in our minds, but we never planned for it. But due to a couple of factors, we decided it's time for us to actually go back to Poland, to my hometown, where my parents still live. And I think that's one of the main reasons that, you know, both my parents are more or less in the 70s, and as much as we had help from them, it's time for us to give a little bit back and be there for them as well. And as you know, grandparents love their grandchildren, so that will bring a lot of joy to them as well. Now, moving them over here was really not an option, so the only decision we had left is to move to Poland. And I think it's the right time to do it, guys, as the kids are small enough, so for them it will not matter that much. So what I'm trying to say is there will be some interruptions with my YouTube channel. To be absolutely honest with you, I'm not sure how I'll be able to continue the channel itself. We have just sold our house here in the UK. That will heavily depend on my ability to produce any videos, and obviously the transition period of us moving to Poland and finding something, as we don't really have anything that caught our attention, and that's, you know, we don't have anything set up basically. So, you know, there may be a few months interruption in bringing you any content at all. And obviously, it will really depend on what house, or even if we're gonna get a house, we may just end up with a flat. Me having the actual space, a garage of some sort to do my videos and bring you some new content. So it's a little bit of an unknown what's gonna happen in the, I'd say, next 5-6 months. So far I was trying to record some more videos for you, but as my wife went back to work, as her maternity finished, it's really difficult to actually record any more videos. And obviously now we have to think about packing the whole house and my workshop as well. Probably the workshop's going to take more space in the lorry than the whole house that we've got. So yeah, there are going to be some challenging times ahead of us. I hope you will still remain with my channel, and despite of potential lack of videos, you'll still remain subscribed, as when I do come back, and I hope I will, you know, you'll be notified by YouTube that, hey, this guy's got a new video. I think he came back to YouTube again, so I would appreciate if you don't unsubscribe. But obviously, if it will come to that where I will not be able to make any videos going forward at all, I will make another channel update and actually let you know. So it will be an interesting experience to go back to Poland, as I think we're going to be looking at it from a perspective of a foreigner again. which will be quite bizarre being a foreigner in your own country. But after 15 years, a lot has changed in Poland. And obviously our friends, the families, you know, they moved on. And we are coming back to a situation where everything is going to be new. People that we're going to meet, they're going to be new. And from one side, obviously, we're excited. From another side, a little bit scared, I think, you know, of the unknown of what's going to happen. And especially nowadays under the climate of this bloody pandemic that's everywhere. Regardless how you look at it, if you believe it or not, but it is affecting our lives either way. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a challenging time. My perfect scenario would be that we quickly get a house with a garage like this one. I'll set up my workshop. Well, to be fair, we can set it up together from scratch. I will be taking all my tools, all my benches, but will they fit the new garage? I don't know, we'll see. And we can build a garage or a shed together and think about the best solution for a workshop, for a small workshop. I don't think we'll be lucky enough as some of the YouTubers, especially the American ones, that, ooh, we're moving to a new house and look at that, I've got a new workshop, 100 square meters, or, you know, a double garage that's bigger than my current house. Definitely that's not gonna happen. Unless, I don't know, I win the lottery next week or something. But I'm really hopeful that we will buy a house that will give me the ability, you know, to continue recording videos for you guys. At that point, probably, apart from woodworking, I would do, you know, DIY stuff in the house, because we're not obviously going to buy a new house. It will be a used house. So there will be things to sort out and do. And I'm hoping that will be interesting to you as well. But I've got a few ideas in my head as to how to go forward. Now, perfect scenario would be that YouTube would be my full-time job. At the minute, that's definitely not possible. But in some time, who knows? So what I'm trying to say is thank you for being with my channel for so long, some of you. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you're gonna stay for a little while, even if there will be a shortage of videos and projects. As you know, my dream would be to do this full time and bring you a bit more interesting projects than just a simple sanding device thingamajig, although I have to say it's quite useful. I'm not sure why I've not made it earlier. And as you know, I also, apart from woodworking, I love working with resin, and I hope to have the ability to actually do resin projects in the future. At the moment, I'm not sure if it would be better to have another channel for the resin work itself. I'm not sure if you guys that watch the woodworking side are interested in the resin projects at all. I think it's actually quite a good connection, wood and resin. So yes, interesting times for me and my family. And it will be interesting to see where we actually end up with. And I will let you know. And I will make a video about it so you can check out our future place where we're going to live. And hopefully a new garage when I can have my workshop. So that's all for today's update. Just a quick one, a little bit from my private life to let you know what's happening and what will happen, and obviously this will affect the channel. I'm wishful and I'm hopeful that it will all work out okay, and I will have space and means to actually continue recording videos for you guys and for my sake, because I love this. It's my hobby, and if it became my full-time job some point in the future, that would be absolutely dream come true. And I wish that all of you, that your hobby becomes something that brings you money, enough money to pay the bills and have a, you know, a solid life for your family. But for me, only the time will tell how that will play out. From myself, thank you so much for being with me and my channel, and I hope to see you on my future videos. Take care.